Not so agile there. What a fail. Had to switch over to Capri mode. Drinking a Guinness. That might happen. Here she comes. Yep.
They are slim.
Yeah, be careful. Kind of hoping to see one of those Sam Squatches to give me a piggyback ride back to the car.
Not exactly how we wanted to end the trip.
You are watching Riverbend Longbows Outdoors. Good morning, day 3. We're just getting our breakfast ready. Gonna get warmed up. And cloudy today. Slept good, I think. Did you sleep good?
Okay.
Okay. Slept okay. But we'll hit the trail here soon. And yep, here we go. Well, using my ground cloth my buddy Sean made me off of Instagram. Very handy, thank you again. Gonna have me some oatmeal. Pretty sore this morning, but overall feel pretty good.
Happy anniversary.
Oh, thank you. Well, camp's broke, about fell backwards. Leave no trace. Here we go. Onward and upward. And we've got lots of trees down right off the bat. Log crossings. We got her. Agile, like a billy goat. Ooh, not so agile there. What a fail. Okay, we just came down that, and now we've got 6 miles to go. Well, we made it to the Pike old recreation area, which is now closed and abandoned due to a, just Google it, I'm not going to explain it, it was horrible. Anyway, so we're going to head on, we're 6 miles away now, that's good, our feet are killing us. We both did it in our Zero shoes though. She's got some new Zeros. These are the Oswegos. First day my feet are a little bruised, but now they feel really good. I can kind of feel my way around on the trail. Yeah, so little break and off we go.
part of the sun not being out, I don't have any idea what direction we're going.
Alright, had to switch over to Capri mode. Got a couple crossings. We're putting them down. That'll wake you up. Woo! That feels good, actually. Bunch of vegetation. Those look like trout lilies, maybe. Cool. Alright. There's a blaze.
Now I want crackers. That little boy had crackers. Now all I can think about are crackers.
We just ran into a dad and the two little boys getting ready to get started, so he's eating crackers. Getting your trail hunger.
No, I'm fine, but now I just want those crackers.
Alright. According to my mental navigation, we should be heading back westerly-ish. Hopefully. We don't have much sunlight today, so it kind of messes with your bearings sometimes. Beautiful though, man. Be nice to have a cabin right there, huh? Break time, lunch, snacky. Switch to instant coffee. Sturdy. Give me a little cow in my step, maybe. Hoping. Sun's coming out though. That's nice. Okay, I've decided there's no real good way of training to do this other than just doing it. We are way out of shape. We're getting there. I can feel right now though, like if we were out here for like 3 more days, I'd feel great. You know, you get what you call your trail legs and all that junk. I haven't done this in like 25, 6 years. She's never done it. So, here we go.
Sorry.
That'll keep people guessing. Looks like I'm drinking a Guinness. That might happen tonight. Back when I used to do this on a regular, back then, you know, I had a external frame pack. We were packing in like 4 or 5 days worth of food and canned food. I must have been one tough son of a bitch. Oh well.
Dryability of my shoe.
All right. try it back to amphibian mode. She's gonna try her shoes out being wet. I'm gonna go ahead and keep the sandals on. That looks about the best spot right there. We'll find out. It's slick. Woo-wee. Didn't warm up at all. Yeah, oh yeah. Just be careful. You got a sure footing because it's slicker and here she comes. Yep.
They are slick.
Yeah, be careful. Whew. Bone chilling. Oh my goodness. Fly fisherman's paradise. Cool. This just in, I'm not 22 anymore. Taking a little break, enjoying more scenery. It's everywhere.
It's pretty.
It's beautiful. That was pretty cool. We just crossed with a young dad and his two young boys. They are fired up. That's good to see. So good to meet you guys if you watch this. Whew. All right, we're down to not too much further to go according to him, and he's done this trail before. So, but man, look at that. Get that tree a pair of pants. There are hundreds of camp spots that are just awesome and they're free. Oh, they're just cool. Out of breath. Okay, Well, we're in the final stretch. I decided for us to jump up on the road and just finish it out a couple miles. Weather is questionable, and I, for one, do not like being in a slot canyon basically when in a flash flood area. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but it feels stormy. But anyway, we're just about done. The Missouri Falls there was awesome though. Pretty cool. But yep, got a little bit of just a tiny jaunt of road walking, and then we'll be finishing it up. Even the road walk is magnificent. We got a sinkhole in the road, so be careful if you're on Mine Creek Road. About here-ish. I don't even know where we're at. Kind of hoping to see one of those Sam Squatches to give me a piggyback ride back to the car. Holy moly. Little feller make it across the road. Clam rock. There's the car finally. Winner victory shots. Wow.
What?
Thanks for joining us. Say bye, everybody.
Bye. Happy anniversary.
Not exactly how we wanted to end the trip.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. Like and share this, and we'll see you next time. Alright, we got our tire fixed. If you need one done, Howell's Tire and Muffler Shop. $15 and they put it on for us. Pretty good.